Hey guys, welcome back to my beginners portrait series tips and tricks. In our last video, we learned how to make skin colors with the use of basic colors. And in today's class, what we are gonna do is we are going to paint this portrait. As you are here, I'm assuming that you have already watched the last video. If you didn't, kindly go and watch that video. That will be really helpful to you. Here I'll be using flat brushes mostly of 3 or 4 number. These are from Camlin, very reasonably priced. As a beginner, you should not invest in very high-end products. Start with basic brushes, and for choosing round or flat brush, it's completely your choice in which you are comfortable in. We are gonna start with this forehead portion first. Let me show you my palette again. I'm having this white color, red color, yellow, orange, yellow ochre, burnt sienna and blue color. So first what I have done, I mixed these two color in this. In this color, I'll be mixing orange. So whenever there's a change in color, I'll explain you. In pink, I've added orange. In that color, I have added white. So this is the color I'm using here. So simply in first layer, we are going to apply the color very lightly. So this is our first layer. So in first layer, you just have to place the color. Here I can see, as I have already made these lines for my highlight. Now I'll show you the benefit of adding this highlight. So in that color only I'm mixing little bit of white and making it more light and placing that color in this area. As I already know where I have to place my highlight, I can easily do this. For shadow, what I'm gonna do is, in this color only, I'm gonna add little bit of burnt sienna. Yes. In this color only, I'm gonna add more white. Going to use this color for shadows. So again I'll be placing that shadow color here. Here again there's a huge shadow. I'm gonna place this color. In our second layer we are gonna merge everything nicely. So there's a very little shadow here of the hair. So the shadow is coming till here. In our second layer what we have to do is we are going to mix two colors. So first, again the color which I have used for this area, I need to apply. Let me show you this area first, how I merge. I'll take this shadow color, reapply it. Now, take any tissue paper or kitchen towel, just wipe your brush like this and just start blending. In between, if you feel like taking any color, you can just take the excess color, whichever color is needed. Start mixing these two colors very nicely. In any of the portrait making, you should always focus on the blending. So in between I'll be taking this color and try to mix it. There should be a smooth transition. There should not be a very visible lines or something. I'm gonna merge this color very nicely. Look at your reference picture again and again and try to merge as smooth as you can. And whenever I'll be changing any color, I'll again show you my color palette so you can see what I'm actually using. So not to worry about it. I feel the highlight was little dark, so I came towards little light. So any portrait will require minimum of 2-3 layer. In first layer you can't expect your color to be very nicely merged. As you can see, there is no harsh or rough line visible here. This portion is nicely blended, I feel. Now we'll focus on this area. So here what I'm gonna do is, let me show you again. This is my palette. Mostly I was using this color and this color. In this only I'm gonna add white color. I'm gonna make it light for highlight. And wherever I feel there's a very sharp highlight, I'll be directly gonna use white. So this is my color. See, previously also I used the same color only. So here what you have to do, again we are going to take the advantage of the lines which we made in the first video. Hopefully you watched that video. If you didn't, kindly watch. Initially I made the shadow color very dark. It should not be very dark, so I'm making it little light here. Firstly gonna mix these two colors. It should not look like a patch the way it is looking right now. It should completely get merged together. And try merging these two colors. Some white directly. And merge it. It should not look like a white patch over there. Give it as much time as you can. I think till now we are pretty good. There's a highlight, that's why I use white here. I feel there's a bit more white required in this area as well. There's again a small highlight. If you carefully observe the picture, you'll see all these things. So these are the shadows and these are the highlights. And still I'm feeling there's something not good. Small corrections will be there always. If you keep on looking at your painting, you'll find so many things. So as you can see, we started with 3 different patches and now we blended so nicely that it is looking like a complete skin. Hope this is helpful to you. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section. In our next class, we are going to paint the remaining portrait. For that, subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Thank you.